No te vayas todavía. Don't go yet. No te vayas. Don't go. Todavía. Yet. Don't go yet. Hazlo lentamente. Do it slowly. Hazlo. Do it. Lentamente. Slowly. Do it slowly. Escuchamos algo. We heard something. Escuchamos. We heard algo. Something. We heard something. Hicimos un buen trabajo. We did a good job. Hicimos. We did. Un buen. A good. Trabajo. Job. We did a good job. No es tan complicado. It's not so complicated. No es. It's not. Tan. So. Complicado. Complicated. It's not so complicated. ¿Has terminado? Have you finished? ¿Has? Have you? Terminado? Finished? Have you finished?